certainly hope to belt it up and run something with it soon. Just a stunning, amazing little model. All right, welcome back to Will Smith Hit and Miss. Today we are going to look at this Fairbanks Z. This comes to us from Stirlingkit. This is the model Z01 throttler engine based off the Fairbanks Model Z line. Thank you so much to Stirlingkit. We'll unbox it, we'll take a look, and we'll run it. Brochures and shirt. We'll definitely be taking them to a show coming up soon. All right, we have the Stirlingkit RETROL Z01. Nice direction manual with it. Let's see. I'm gonna take it out like that. I tried to lift it up. It's just packed in there, man. Wow, she's got a little weight to her. I won't lie, I'm kind of impressed how heavy it is. Assuming this one is going to be more like the B01, where it's going to be pretty much ready to run. All right, bear with me. I'm going to go ahead and hit the valves, rockers. These are real cups, oil cup. I don't know if you can see those. Hopefully you can. I'm at about a quarter turn. We are off and running. Welcome back. We have the Z01 out. We are going to put some fuel in it. All right, I think that'll be enough. I'm going to go ahead and grab the drill, turn the battery switch on. Amazing running, great detailed engine brought to us from Stirlingkit. Amazing wood box, great detail on it. Everything on it is very scale, very well built. Obviously now we're taking a look at the oiler on the top. We see the oiler up top, we see the spark plug wire, we see the spark plug, we see the intake, exhaust valve, the rocker, the fuel push rod. is running too rich. So I'm going to lean it out a little. This is the mag. Okay, and the mag is not operational, but it does have all the levers and looks exactly like the real one. There's just literally a battery, small battery and ignition system in here with that beautiful switch on the side of the box. Obviously, we have oil cups. We have the gas tank in the bottom back here. And we haven't belted it up to anything yet, but we certainly hope to do that. Certainly hope to belt it up and run something with it soon. Just a stunning, amazing little model. I can't thank the folks from Stirlingkit enough for sharing this with us. Thanks for watching. Take care.